What is up, you guys? It's Dee. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pattern for a jersey. Well, in South Africa, we call it a jersey. Other places they call it a sweater, but you know what, you choose what you want to call it. And yes, I will be constructing it in a size 12, and I will be uploading another tutorial on how to construct the sleeve as well as the cuffs and the the neck. What is it? Yeah, the neck. Yeah, the neck piece. I don't know what to call it, but anyways, let's go ahead. So you're just gonna need your usual tools, which is your rulers. So I've got my L square, my steel ruler, 60 centimeters, and my French curve, and I've also got, you know, my marker. And I think I actually need to buy a new marker. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So first things first, you're just going to make a line straight down, and then you're going to label that 0, right? So that is your that's the nape. That is your nape. So from 0 to 1, it's going to be 41 centimeters. So on this line, you're going to go down until you get to 41, right over here, and that becomes number 1. And then you're going to square across just like this. Just square about like maybe say 30 to 35 centimeters across. And you can go ahead and label this as your waist. And then from that, can I just cut my paper, please? And then I will come back to this. Okay, so now I've got space to work. I've cut out my paper. So you're just gonna go down. So from the waist, you wanna find your hip. That's how long I want mine to be. If you want to make it any longer, you're more than welcome to do so, but I'm gonna make mine from the waist to the hip. So you're gonna add an additional 20 centimeters going down. So from the waistline, you're going to add 20.6 centimeters. So here is 20, there is 20.6, and then you're gonna label that as number 2, and obviously you are going to square across. Just like this. Trying to make a very quick tutorial because load shedding is about to strike in like a couple of minutes. Okay, so from to find number 3, it is 25. From 0, you're gonna go and mark 25.5. So from number 0, you're going to go down 25.5, and that is number 3, and you're going to square across just like this. Basically. And then number 4 is 12.75. Also from 0. So from 0, you're going to go down and find number 12, 7. Okay, 12, 6, 5, 6, 7, right there. That is number 4. You don't have to square across for number 4. This is actually going to be, oh, actually, yes, you do. Sorry, no, I made the mistake. So that is 12 right there, but don't square too like far apart, like just maybe square until 20 centimeters. And then number 5 is going to be 3.8 from 0. 3.8, so 1, 2, 3.8. And then you're also going to square across. quick. And we're almost done. We're almost done. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Okay, so now you're going to find number 6. So number 6 is from 0 across. And number 6 is actually 8.4 centimeters. So this is where number 6 is at. This is where it's at. Right there. And then you can label that as number 6 over here. And then just above it, you want to go... Ooh, I'm going to use... my L square so that I'm actually marking it properly. 1 centimeter. Just 1 centimeter. This becomes number 7. And you can actually go ahead and draw in your neckline from here, because essentially that is what number 7 is. So this is the back part of your pattern. There you go. There you have it. That is number 7. Now let's go to number 8. Number 8 is on this line, number 3, and it is 20.7 centimeters. So 20.5, 6, 7. Gonna mark that over here, and that's number 8, and then you're gonna square up. Okay. Oh shit. You know what? I'm just gonna do it like this because clearly my ruler doesn't like me. And you're just gonna square all the way up until this line. Yes, you're gonna square all the way up until that line particularly. Okay, so there you have it. So these lines, you're gonna extend them. They have to touch the number 8's line. Right over there. So that's 8, that's 9, and that's 10. And then 11 is 1.5 centimeters from here. So you're just gonna add that in there. And that right there is your 11, ladies and gentlemen. And from there, you're gonna start putting in your shoulder from 7 to 11. There is your shoulder. Okay, cool. Now you're gonna go back to 12. 12 is also on the same line as number 3, and it is 26.5 centimeters. So from there, from number 3, you're gonna go and mark 26.5, and you're gonna write that as number 12. And then you are gonna square down from here all the way to your hip measurement. Okay, so that's 12, that's 13, that's 13, that's 14, doesn't really matter at this point. And then you're gonna find your neckline for the other, which is actually 6.9. So from 0 going down, you're going to go and 6.9 right over there. So that's what? 12, 13, 14. Okay, so that's 15. Then you're gonna go ahead. Remember what I said about the neckline. Always try and like make the 1 centimeter straight and then curve and connect it to number 11. I mean to number 7. Sorry. Yeah. So from there, we going to create the perfect curvature. And there you guys have it. Then you can now put in your armhole, armhole, whatever. And Okay, let's do it like this. Yes. And there you guys have it. So this becomes the front and the back. And remember guys, when you are tracing this out, this is how you would trace your front. You would trace it from number 15 going all the way to 7, 11, 12, all the way down to 2 and back to 15. And then when you are tracing the back, you are going to go all the way and just basically return to 0. So we're going to label this. This is ladies jersey, size 12, and we will just call it the master pattern. Right over here. And essentially you're done. I will be uploading how to do the sleeve. That will be the part 2, as well as the cuffs and obviously the collar of your jersey. But yeah, this is how your pattern should look like. And yeah, it's actually quite easy, quite simple. This pattern is the same as creating a t-shirt. However, there is a difference with that, because the pattern for creating a t-shirt is actually just a little bit smaller than this, because this has a lot more ease, and it's also for like fleece fabric, while obviously for t-shirts you'd probably go for cotton. But yeah, if you want to have like a baggy t-shirt, then I would suggest you guys to use this. So you can use this as a t-shirt as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to tune in for part 2. Bye.